Hi YouTube, Edward Tyndall here, and
Sarah Tyndall.
in so much beautiful HD 57X advanced zoom Canon technology. And look at our cool lighting. This thing is going to make things awesome for you guys. We're starting out today with Mikey's ant collection, and then we're going to proceed on with a subscriber that has bought all these tarantulas from me and wants me to take care of them for a while and wanted to be remain anonymous, so that's fine, but thank you so much for your support. I appreciate that, and for your love of the hobby, my friend. Here is Mikey's ants in their decompression chamber. Please don't shake for 1 second. They're getting out. Well, I was going to take that off so y'all could see something. If they get shook, they mess up. I'm going to introduce them to their first food. Their first food other than honey. I'm going to have to damage a roach, actually. Sorry people, I'm dropping it all over the place. Give me 1 minute. Not 1 minute, but alright, here we go. Damage this roach. I can't hurt my ants. Mikey's ants. Best way to do that is the head. Just crush the roach all together. Alright, there we go. Now, get ready. Y'all let me know if the lighting is any better. Alright, there we go. Formic acid going on here. Y'all seeing this? I'm going to try to give you the best view possible. There's an egg. Look at this queen. She's putting formic acid on here, and she is actually eating off of this. Queen does not play. They are guarding the eggs. You see the little wad of eggs center screen? I know, it's absolutely amazing. Y'all can tell me how amazing it is in the comments, and I try to answer every comment. I will eventually, I hope, answer every comment. So that's that. We're going to move on to some spider feeding now, because I know you guys love that kind of thing too. We have so many things going on, and I want to share with you guys because it's awesome. You know what? I'm going to need help opening these. Wow. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see this or not clearly. It's going to go very slowly, I guess, because I can't film and open, and Sarah's doing something. This is a Neohethele NC Gold. Little NIGs for short, NIG. Instantly. You don't see that? Instant. Is that bad to the bone or what? Little Neohethele NC Golds, friends. I'm gonna need these open. I'm having enough time.
You said you got it.
No, I don't. I need you to open all these things, because I'm filming and I'm catching roaches and doing all that at one time. What is this? This is a piece of Lotharia fasciata. I'm going to skip over for a minute until she can get these open for me. Friends.
Sarah Tyndall really have to come help Edward Tyndall?
Yes, because I only have 4 hands, or 2 hands.
Really? You got 4 hands? Last time I checked.
Instant. Easy, baby. Easy, you're going to make him run away. We're going to have to raise this up to right here. This area right here, so you'll be able to see a little bit better lighting. These are baby fasciata. Sarah already pre-watered them before the videoing started. This is how I keep track of what I fed. Put one, and the next, and the next. She's opening up the rest of the little eggs. I'm trying to keep my videos around 10 minutes, so if they exceed that, please bear with me. Anyway, well, I guess you want to see the process of me catching these roaches. Alright, that one went right where every bug goes, right in my crotch. He got away.
That doesn't sound right, babe.
Nope, that's where they all go for some reason. There we go. Another P. fasciata, friends. Check it out. Has a beautiful little hairball in it. Beautiful little hairball. You know what? I'm going to move this tarantula enclosure up here. And then I'm going to put the tarantulas that I'm feeding up here. And I'm going to stand while I do this, so you guys can get a better view even. Is that more light? There's more light, right? I think. If I'm not mistaken. Sorry people, what's going on in the background. I'm trying to get these roaches off of this thing. I can grab them easier. So the roaches. Trying to get it to zoom in, friends. There you go, P. fasciata. Another successful fasciata feeding. Another fasciata. I separated some of the other fasciata eggs with legs that were going to second or third instar, whatever they are. Now, hold on, I'll try to carry y'all with me as much as I can. Let you guys get the whole experience. I don't know if you're getting the light quality that you need or not. But you can see that beautiful hairy hairball. Either way, right? Everything's falling everywhere always. Alright, here's a bigger fasciata. We need a bigger roach for a bigger fasciata. One of them, maybe. Here, let's see, pick up a card with something on it. Is this alive? I guess that's alive. Here, what's this card on it? 100 roaches together, shall we? That one looks like a decent roach. That one's definitely a decent roach for that size spider. You might could take it. I don't know why you put your hand there. I don't know how to film this, people. I'm sorry. I need a tripod too. That's the next thing I need to do. If we can eat that or not, we're gonna find out. Probably not. A beautiful fasciata there. We'll find out if he's able to eat it in a minute or he's gonna take off somewhere. Getting into position. Be still, baby. Be still, baby. He's gonna run. I need a different size roach. Find me a different one, will you? Oh, it's gonna run. Different one. Time's getting over 10 minutes now. Sorry, people. Here we go. This is a more appropriate size roach for this guy. And I don't know if he's hungry or not, but he'll be okay. He molted, I don't know how long ago. Hey, 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 that's my fingers. There's a roach in there with him though if he wants it. I'm gonna go to these little nigs real quick. I'm trying not to make it a long video. I apologize for that. Just stick with me a moment. At least you're getting good video quality, I think. Yeah. Seeing that all right? You get right there. Perfect, right? Perfect. Yes. Oops. It's so hard to do this with one hand, and my hand got nerve damage in it, people. Took a horrible bite from Scar, and it's just difficult to do it. But that badass or what? I think this is badass. Leave it. Leave it in the comments below. See how many badasses we can get on one video. Also leave suggestions of things y'all want to see. I do listen to my fans to an extent. After all, you guys watch my channel, you should get to watch stuff that you want to watch, right? Edward Dental YouTube's better than Burger King because you actually can get it your way.
Shout out to Peter Webster.
Big shout out, Peter Webster. My Ukrainian brother from another mother. Ukrainian. I don't think Ukrainian is a word. If it is, I just made it up. There's a screwed up leg spider. That happened because, well, while our horse was dying, while our horse was dying, the mother was eating all of his brothers and sisters of this spider and got a hold of him as well. For no good reason. There's another one. We're going through every tarantula we own, babies, big ones, everything. Then we're going through all the snakes we own and other stuff that we own. So I'm definitely going to want to stay tuned for all of that. I'm almost done with these. Maybe the next time I set up the camera, I'll make sure that it's a little bit better lighting. I don't know. Last ones I got to do is see darlingas. I'll do a few of those. These things don't play with people. Gotta love the NC Gold. Unfortunately, I'm all sold out because I didn't get as many as I needed to start with. Bear with me for a moment. We're gonna do some of these sea darlingas real quickly. Have to set you down. I'm getting a tripod soon. Don't worry. Fret not, my friends. Here's a little sea darlinga. Sea darlinga. Maybe you can open sea darlingas over here real quick because it'll make it go faster for me. I'm running out of time. Check it out. Check it out. Epic battle, people. Don't stomp. Don't stomp, baby. Don't stomp. You're knocking the spider upside down. Here. Just open and put, and I'll get a spider and put it in there. I'm going to reach and put it in. Open, 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 open. I got